Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track billable expenses using QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a freelancer, a business owner, or someone managing multiple clients, keeping track of billable expenses is essential to getting paid properly. So let's walk through the process in a simple and clear way. Start by heading over to the QuickBooks Online homepage and clicking on the Sign In button. Choose QuickBooks Online from the list and enter your username and password. Once you're logged in, the first thing we need to do is adjust a few settings so QuickBooks can treat certain expenses as billable. Go to the top right corner, click on Settings, and select Account and Settings from the drop-down menu. On the left side, click on the Expenses tab. Control how expenses behave in your account. Under Bills and Expenses, turn on the option that says Make Expenses and Items Billable. This setting lets you mark specific costs so you can easily charge them back to your clients later. Right below that, make sure the Track Billable Expenses and Items as Income box is checked. This ensures that any billable expense you pass on appears correctly in your income reports. After enabling both options, hit Save to apply the changes. Now let's put these settings into action. Go back to the Expenses section and look through your transaction list. When you find an expense you want to bill to a client, click to open it. Inside the transaction window, you'll see a Billable checkbox. Tick that box and then choose the customer you want to assign the expense to. You can also update the category if needed so the expense is recorded accurately. Once you've entered the billing amount and confirmed all the details, click Save and Close. That's all it takes. You've now set up and learned how to track billable expenses in QuickBooks Online. With this feature enabled, you'll find it much easier to manage client reimbursements and maintain organized financial records. It keeps your workflow clean, professional, and ensures you never miss out on payments you're owed. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more easy QuickBooks tutorials. Happy bookkeeping.